This is a video to show you how to insert a picture into a Google Doc. So first you're going to go up to the top of your Google Doc and you're going to find Insert. You're going to click on it and then a drop-down menu will pop up. You will hover over Image and you have multiple options here. You can upload your image from your computer, so if it's saved to a Google Doc or a Microsoft Word doc, you can get it from there. Or if it's uploaded to your drive, you can insert that here. Or if you have an assignment that is printed out and you want to take a picture of it, you would select the camera button and then take your picture, and then the picture will now insert into this Google Doc. And then once your picture uploads onto the Google Doc, then you would turn that Google Doc into the assignment.